Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this is video number 5, and in this video we are going to learn how to insert records into a table. In the last video I showed you how to create a very simple table named student, and the database we created our database named test, and now we're going to insert data into a student table. So how to do that I will show you. You just have to type in use test, that's your database, and you type in go and insert. So now the insert statement looks like insert into. So we are inserting into the table student. So this is the statement we're going to write: insert into student, and then in around a bracket or parentheses you will put the student ID, comma, don't forget the commas, and first name, comma, last name, comma, and the phone number, and then you close the bracket or the parentheses. And another thing I wanted to show you, since we're just registering our name for now, we, in the future, if you want to input or you want to register more students, then you can use a comma like this. You would just put the value. Well, this you always have to type in the statement here, insert into, and then student, the table name, and of course the student ID. Whatever you have in that table could be a different values that you want in here. So for now we have student ID, first name, last name, and phone number, and then we close parentheses and values, and then we open a parenthesis, and in a single quotation we put, in this case, I'm just putting 1 for the student ID, and then comma, and then first name will be John. You can put your name in there, and comma, and then the second one is last name here, so last name is going to go here. And make sure you put the names and phone numbers in a single quotation, or else it would give you error when you run it. Okay, so Smith's and single quotation, again the phone number that I chose, just random number, in a single quotation, and then you close the parentheses. So if you're just registering your name and your phone number for now, all you have to do is do this statement and end it with a semicolon. So then you just have to highlight this portion and run it, and it would just only register your name. But if you have more than one, you will have to get rid of this, and then followed by a comma, and then you don't have to type in values. But if you do want to type in values, you're welcome to it, but it's not necessary. And you can just put comma here, and then put in the next record you wanted to put in your table. So this is all that you need to do to write an insert statement, inserting records into a table. This is very simple, and this is what you need to do. And if you highlight this and execute, actually, since I'm going to try to register 2 names, if you can do so, or you can just do 1. But if you're doing 1, and just have to close it with that, and then just highlight whatever you wanted to insert and execute. Okay, so now it's telling us 1 row affected, and you can also see how many rows are affected at the bottom of your screen, or the message always tells you if it goes through. If it errors, it will give you an error message, but at this time we have 1 row. So to verify that, I will show you in the next video how to select records and see what's in a table, and just by writing a statement, a SQL query, and to call records into a table, or just to populate a record of the table. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for video 5, where I will show you how to write a select statement. Thank you for watching.